What's up guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and try-on of the Adidas Yeezy Desert Boot. I ordered it online at adidas.com and it wasn't hard to get just because it wasn't a super limited release. This is what the box looks like. It's in the traditional Boost box, but it is a little bit bigger because it is a boot. It says Desert Boot on the top, and then on the side here has the size information. So in shoes, I'm a women's size 6, and in Yeezys, I'm a men's size 5. And with these boots, you have to size up by half a size. So I got a size 5.5. I got it in the oil colorway, which is like a chocolate brown color. And this is what it looks like. The top part is very similar to the 500s with the suede and the mesh. And then obviously the differences are that it's a high top, and then the bottom part here, this is kind of like a rubber material. And then it also has a 3M reflective strip on the tongue here as well as on the back. Although this silhouette is pretty chunky, it's actually not that heavy. It's pretty lightweight. And the construction of it and the materials aren't super sturdy for a winter boot. I would say it's good for the winter time here in LA or California because the weather isn't too extreme, but I wouldn't say that this would be a winter boot for the East Coast because it isn't that durable. Again, I got it in a men's size 5.5 and the fit is on point. I love the colorway as well. It's in this brown neutral colorway that will go well with everything. My wardrobe is pretty neutral already, so I know that this will go well with a lot of the pieces that I already have. Since it is a high top sneaker, it will look really good with a lot of my sweatpants and pants that do cinch at the ankle here. Overall, I do really like these sneakers. I like the fact that they are more on the thicker, chunkier side, but I do feel like with this type of silhouette, it may be hard to style them sometimes just because it is a thicker shoe. When I was shopping for these, one of my concerns was whether or not they would make my legs look thick or short just because it is on the thicker side, but they actually don't make my legs look too short. As you'll see in the try-on, I tried it on with some biker shorts and it didn't make my legs look super thick, which was really nice. But I feel like with these shoes, you just really gotta know how to style them and wear the right pants and outfit just to make it look just fitted to your body. So I'll definitely make a how to style video on these. On my channel, I do have a lot of Yeezy videos, a lot of unboxing, how to style, and try on. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, please do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.